What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are smoking some stuffed banana peppers. Let's do it. We have quite a setup here ready to go for some stuffed banana peppers. And we're gonna do these banana peppers two different ways. How are we gonna do them two different ways, you ask? Great question. We love questions here. So I have a dozen banana peppers here. 6 of them are just gonna have the tops cut off and then they're gonna be cored and stuffed. The other 6 are gonna have their tops cut off and then cut right in half. So let's cut our banana peppers. Cut our tops off for first 6. Get your butter knife, and we can just core out our seeds and stems. You might have a couple seeds left behind. That's okay, man. It ain't gonna kill no one, no how. Just do the best you can. Ooh, we got a lot of seeds. That's messy. So we have our 6 that we're keeping whole. Now we'll get our other 6. Get the tops off. Then we're gonna get our other 6, cut them right down the center to cut them right in half. Just like that. Perfect. So now these ones that you cut in half, it'll be easier to get a spoon and scrape out the insides, just like that. Do that for all 6 of our peppers, nice and clean. So now we have our halved banana peppers and our whole banana peppers. So we're just gonna start and do one at a time. We'll start with our halved peppers. And then we have all of our cheeses here. We're gonna start with 1 brick of cream cheese. It's been sitting out a little while, nice and soft. Into this bowl, I have a 4 cheese blend. If I can open it. Just eyeball it. I would say about a cup of your 4 cheese blend and make it easy. Mix it on up. Then to that mix, we add some Parmesan cheese. A few good shakes. Perfect. We have our cheese mixed up. And then I also have some prosciutto. One of my favorites. You can stuff these peppers with any kind of meat. You can wrap them in bacon, stuff them with sausage. I just like prosciutto. I'm gonna lay the prosciutto right on each pepper. Fits like a glove. All right, now we have our prosciutto laid inside our peppers. I'm gonna get our cheese mixture. You can just form it right in the peppers. I'm putting the prosciutto on the bottom because it's thin and I want to get all that smoky flavor on our cheese. The prosciutto is just gonna be a nice little treat when you bite right into it. Alright, so now flatten it on out. Make it look pretty. Pile that cheese high. Gonna be mighty tasty. So now, take our gloves off, make things a little easier. I have about 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. To that, I'm gonna add some 3 Amigos rub and seasoning from the Southwestern Griller. A good, smoky, bold seasoning made with jalapenos, habaneros, and chili peppers. Gonna go perfect to go on top of our banana peppers. dump it on in. Mix it up with the breadcrumbs. Just eyeball it. Get a good mixture. And we're going to put that right on top. Cover them up. Give some good color, an extra kick when you bite into your peppers. Alright, so we are done with one way to stuff our banana peppers. We're just getting started. I'm going to put these to the side and we're going to stuff our other 6 peppers. Alright, let's get ready for round 2. So now we're going to do our whole peppers. So we have another brick of cream cheese, and right to this cream cheese we're going to add some more of our Southwestern Griller 3 Amigos. I'd say about a tablespoon or so, just to give a little bit of flavor. So we have our cream cheese, some Gorgonzola crumble, and some crumbled feta. And we're just going to drop in, so let's just start. We'll do some feta, push it down. Some Gorgonzola, push it down. Get some more of your prosciutto. Get a little hunk of it. Push it down. Then we'll get some cream cheese. Get a little ball. Push it down. Then repeat. Another chunk of feta. A little bit of Gorgonzola. A little bit of cream cheese. Another piece of prosciutto. Get a little bit more of your breadcrumb and Southwestern Griller 3 Amigos mixture. Top it right off. So we're going to do that. Just do any order you want. Cream cheese, Gorgonzola, feta, prosciutto. Beautiful. Do that with your other 6 peppers. Top our last pepper. Woo! That is a chore, but I promise the results, in the end, they will be worth it. So now we'll get your other peppers. Got them right on our grill grate. Make them fit. Don't matter none, don't gotta be pretty. And that's it, your prep is complete. Now, we're gonna go pop them right in the smoker. Alright y'all, we're out here at the Po Man Grill. We got her going at 250 degrees. We're fueling this cook with some Jealous Devil Max, extra large briquettes, and rolling with some chunks of hickory wood for this smoke. Y'all, this is really easy. We're just letting the smoker go to work for about an hour until we get a good color on the top of that cheese and on those peppers. Then we'll pull them and eat. After 1 hour, our smoked stuffed banana peppers are complete. These look really good. Some great char on the outside of some of these peppers, some great color on the top of the ones that we cut in half. This cook was really simple. We just cut up the peppers a couple different ways, mixed up the cheeses the way that we wanted them, added some of that 3 Amigos rub and seasoning from the Southwestern Griller to give an extra kick of pepper flavor and a good color on top. Now, you just gotta eat. Take one of our halved peppers here. All that cheese, come on. That's really good. Oh, so good. Great flavor from all of that cheese. That prosciutto, what did I say? It's gonna be a nice little treat right when you bite into it, and it most certainly is. Awesome stuffed peppers. Again, good char on some of these. Man, perfect. A good, beautiful, smoky flavor infused into those peppers. Then we got our whole peppers here. I'm a big fan of that Gorgonzola. I'm a big fan of the salty cheeses. It goes really well with these peppers. The prosciutto. These came out perfect. They're so quick and simple and easy to make. A great starter, or hey, even a main dish at any barbecue. Do yourselves a favor. Get some fresh banana peppers. Get your favorite blends of cheeses, cut them up, mix it all together, throw them on your smoker. You're gonna love them. Stay tuned for the next video.